Hey, Chicagoland real estate investors. Who renews their lease more often? Is it tenants in single family, tenants in multifamily, or tenants in condos and townhomes? We did these numbers and I'm going to share it with you today. I'm Mark Ganley, partner founder, GC Realty Development, Chicago's responsive property manager, and also co-host of Chicago's #1 real estate investing podcast, Straight Up Chicago Investor. So I took the data from 2025 and I've shared in other videos, the renewal rates, the rental increases, but I'm always curious, like who moves off, what asset class? And I get the question asked all the time too, should I buy a single family home? Should I buy a small apartment building? Should I buy condos? And obviously turnover and lease renewal rate plays big time into your numbers. So I broke it down for 2025 numbers, and single family home, which I probably would have predicted, renewed 76.5% of the time. Multifamily, which when I say multifamily, I'm talking your 2 flats, your 3 flats, your 4 flats around the city, small apartment buildings, small apartment complexes. Biggest apartment complex we manage is, I think, 56 units. But they renewed 69.6% of the time. And then condos, which is made up of condos and townhomes, is 69.2% of the time. So starting with single family, they renewed the most. Multifamily, they renewed second most. And condos, townhomes, they renewed the least out of our portfolio here in 2025. Now, I went a little deeper. I want to see kind of price, which ones had the larger increases. And the crazy part about it was in 2025, the single family homes had actually the largest amount of increases of 10% or more. So of all the single family homes we renewed, 22.1% of them had increases of 10% or more, which just shows the demand for single family housing where there's just a lack of inventory in both houses to buy and houses to rent. So you're seeing some new apartment complexes coming up, but they're not building these smaller 2,000 and less square foot single family homes in suburbs or in the neighborhoods that you can easily go rent for. That's not a crazy amount. So people are willing to pay a little more to stick where they're at, it seems like. Now condos, they renewed at a 7% rate, and then the multi-units, the small apartments, 6.8%. So nothing really groundbreaking. I guess if you would ask me in the beginning, I would have predicted single family home. I always tell people that single family home, tenants tend to stick around longer. And I don't think this is going to change. With the lack of inventory, the people that are single family homes, they either A, are going to rent another single family home, which is hard to come by, or they're going to go buy a single family home, which is hard to come by. Now, I kind of looked a little more into the condo and multi, because those numbers are pretty quick, are pretty close to each other. 69.2 for condos and 69.6 for multis. Now, it is similar living. You're kind of above or below someone else or within a complex. But at the same time, I can imagine why multi was a little higher, because if you think about your traditional 2 flat or 3 flat anywhere around the city, if you got a 2 flat, that's the closest you might get to a single family home just in that particular neighborhood. There's a lot of neighborhoods that don't even have that many single family homes. So take Logan Square, for instance. The amount of single family homes versus 2 flats or apartments is very small. So you might stick around in that multi 2 flat that much longer, because that's probably the closest you might get anytime soon to having your own single family home. So very interesting data. If you have anything to share, if you have anything that counters what we're putting out there, love to hear from you as well too. If you need help with finding awesome tenants for your places, whether it be townhouses, flats, or single family homes, always happy to help you with that too. And of course, we help with property management all around the Chicago market in the city or suburbs. So anyway, we can help you. We're here. Check out the podcast. Check out the rest of our website. Tons of great information, gcrealtyinc.com. And please subscribe to this video. We'll talk soon.